Hi, so what's today's organizing tip? I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and I have a really good one for you. In order to get your home or office organized, you really need a simple system. So let's just talk about that very quickly. You want a process that's really basic, covers the minimal number of steps to get the job done, and then you just want to start following it. You don't want to wait until you have a perfect solution because you know what? That's never going to happen. So just create the system and get going. So here's an example. I can't tell you how many times I've been in clients' homes and offices and I see piles of mail. It could be 2 inches, it could be 6 inches. It's stuff that's been piling up for a long time in most cases. So let's talk about a simple process for dealing with that. First, you want to designate a spot for collecting the mail when you bring it into your space. It could be on your desk, on your kitchen counter, whatever works. Then you want to schedule a very specific time of day, every day, to open that mail. Whether you have one envelope or you have 20, just go through them. See what's there. Anything that requires some kind of action, maybe you need to pay a bill, maybe you need to make a phone call. Create a pile for that. Give it a spot so you know where those pieces of paper are when it's time to circle back and actually do whatever needs to get done. File whatever you need to file, whether it's paper or whether you have to scan something and file it digitally, just do it. And then, of course, just toss and shred. Get rid of whatever's left over. We want nothing. Clear it away. It'll take no time and you'll have no piles. So if you want some other tips and be inspired to tackle other areas that need organization, check out my blog at theorganizingzone.com/blog. See you next time.